Learn to draw a cartoon butterfly easy, step by step. Drawing is to be fun, so do not worry about making a perfect picture. Even my drawing shows marker bleed on the paper and shaky lines drawn by my hand. Follow along as the picture is drawn. You can pause or stop the video at any time to see how the lines are created both in shapes and position. Cartoon images are usually drawn to bring a smile to your face and allow you to travel to a fantasy world of fun and imagination. You're doing a great job with your drawing. Continue drawing the body and wings as seen, and you will have a picture to be proud of. I can tell you are a real artist and enjoy drawing. If you enjoy learning to draw like this, please subscribe to see more pictures teaching you how to draw, step by step. Practice helps you achieve your goals and improve your skill sets. I hope to see many of my Mouse Art 4 Kids friends again, as we look at Disney cartoon characters, and those less known characters and objects that help make the Disney characters look great in the movies. Thank you for visiting and watching my video.